Welcome back to Mile High Customs. Today we have another special vehicle in the shop. We have this BMW X5M competition right behind me. It is already matte black, so not to worry, we aren't going to be blacking this one out. However, we are going to be doing some subtle upgrades that's going to completely transform the vehicle. Now the body is already matte black, however there are some pieces on the vehicle that aren't blacked out, such as the stock wheels. We are going to be replacing the wheels with some new Vossen wheels. We are going to be going with the HF3s. We are going to be staying with the same setup, a 21 in the front and a 22 in the rear. We are also going to be lowering the car on some H&R springs, and we are going to be installing a Maxton Design body kit. We got the front lip, we got the side skirts, we got the rear diffuser, and a rear spoiler. So that is going to completely transform the look of the vehicle and make it look a whole lot more aggressive. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull this vehicle inside and get started on it. So we have the X5M back in the shop. It's been about a month or so since we last had it in. However, the parts from Maxton Design are in. We have the side skirts as well as the spoiler that goes right on top of here. And in that meantime, the customer also decided that he wants to add an exhaust system. So this is the Valvetronic steel exhaust system. Like I said, it is valve controlled, so it does have that remote control to where you can open and close the valve controller. So it's going to completely transform the sound of it. The car looks absolutely incredible already, and I think once the side skirts and that top of the spoiler, it's just going to completely change the game. But without further ado, Robert is right behind me. He's starting to jack up the car. Robert is going to be on the installation, so we'll check back in with you guys here in just a little bit.
What's up guys, I'm Robert. We're back at it with the exhausts. We gotta do this Valvetronic. As you can see, it's all in pieces, but over here is one whole piece, so I had to remove the whole exhaust in one piece. I'm gonna start removing these things, and all the way to the end. So let's get started.
Guys, this is probably one of my favorite cars that we've done yet. This is the BMW X5M, and we just finished it. As you guys can see, the vehicle's paint, as you guys can see, the vehicle is matte. This vehicle has full body matte paint protection film. However, we didn't do it. The customer bought it with it done, but he brought it to us to give it a little bit of an extra look. Starting off with the front end, as you guys can see, there is a front lip over there. This is the full Maxton Design body kit, which features a front lip. It has the side skirts, a rear diffuser, and then a spoiler extension on the rear. And it came out looking absolutely incredible. Come over here to the sides. We also have the Vossen HF-3 wheels. This is a staggered setup, which pretty much means that the front wheels and the back wheels are a different size. This is the stock setup, or the stock size, so it is a 21-inch tire or a 21-inch wheel in the front, and then a 22-inch in the rear. You guys might also notice that the vehicle does sit a bit lower, and that is because we have the H&R lowering springs on the vehicle as well. The vehicle was also fully tinted on all the sides and the back glass. However, we did add a ceramic 30% on the front windshield just to protect this beautiful dashboard as well as a beautiful interior. And then last but not least, come over here to the back. We just finished up the Valvetronic stainless steel exhaust system with the carbon fiber tip. We already did a startup and sound, so we don't need to turn it on, right? Like I said, this is probably one of my favorite cars that we've done so far. And I honestly just have a little bit of a sweet spot for the X5Ms and just BMWs in general. I think these are probably one of the best looking SUVs on the market currently. I personally think they look a lot better than the Mercedes G-Wagon, as well as some of the even more exotic cars such as the SQ8 and, dare I say, the Audi, or no, I'm sorry, not the Audi, but the Lamborghini Urus. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Am I crazy enough to say that I take this BMW X5M over all those cars that I just said? But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.